It is April 1939, and Berlin has been transformed into a city of spectacle. The world watches with bated breath as Adolf Hitler, the Führer of Nazi Germany, celebrates his 50th birthday, not with cakes and candles, but with a chilling display of military might. The streets are lined with thousands of troops, their boots striking the ground in perfect unison, goose-stepping in a terrifying rhythm that echoes through the heart of the city. At the center of this orchestrated show of force stands Hitler himself, his figure rigid on the reviewing stand. The Führer's eyes are cold, surveying the immense power amassed before him. German officers, equally stiff, stand beside him, their hands raised in the unmistakable Nazi salute, mirroring Hitler's unwavering arm. The salute is not just a gesture of loyalty, it is a statement of total submission to the man who now controls Germany's fate. Tanks roll through the streets in endless columns, their metal tracks grinding against the pavement. Huge trucks, carrying the weight of Germany's industrial might, follow in their wake, a reminder that this nation is built not just on ideology, but on the strength of its war machines. Massive searchlights sweep across the sky, cutting through the Berlin night like swords of light, while big guns roll past, their barrels gleaming in the dim glow. Sailors march in formation, their crisp white uniforms a contrast to the dark steel of the artillery. The band strikes up, its martial music filling the air, heightening the tension of the moment. Every detail of the parade is meticulous, every movement synchronized to reflect the absolute discipline of the Nazi regime. Hitler remains still, the embodiment of control, his eyes unflinching as his military might parades before him. This is not merely a birthday celebration, it is a declaration. Hitler's gaze moves beyond the soldiers, beyond the tanks, beyond the searchlights. He is aware the world is watching, and this spectacle is his reply to anyone who dares to question Germany's rising power. Amid this display of force, there is another message, one meant for the leaders beyond Germany's borders. A few days earlier, President Franklin D. Roosevelt had sent a message to Hitler, pleading for peace, urging the Nazi leader to reconsider his aggressive ambitions. But this grand show in Berlin is Hitler's answer. There will be no retreat, no compromise. Germany is preparing for war, and no plea from foreign nations will halt its momentum. The parade continues, an unbroken river of military might surging through Berlin. Soldiers march, tanks rumble, the sound of boots and engines merging into a symphony of domination. The camera captures close-ups of Hitler, his face unwavering, giving the Nazi salute as if blessing the chaos to come. This birthday review is more than a celebration, it is a harbinger of war. The message is clear. Germany is ready, and under Hitler's command, nothing will stand in its way.